Do you want to make text like this? Let's start. Open Canva and select Facebook Post Canvas. Select blank canvas. Click on text. Write your text. Choose the font. Resize your text and change the color. Click on Elements. Type in search bar. Thick wave. Go to Graphics. Select this wave. Increase the size of wave element and adjust it on the text. Change the color of wave element same as the background color. Again, go to Text and select subheading Text. Write your text in bold. Go to the Effects. Click on Shape. And select the curve. Adjust the curve according to the wave. After the adjustment, click on Text and make it duplicate. Double-click on text and write new word. Click on Format and select Bold. And same like before, go to Effects, Shape, and adjust the curve again. Now do the same procedure with all words. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Here you go. Your design is ready. Thanks for watching.